Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with some more grocery pantry shelf grocery canned good hauls. Today, yes, I stocked up on some great value canned vegetables. Great price on these vegetables. If you don't believe me, go to Walmart. These are 15-ounce cans, and ain't nothing wrong with great value. Believe me, I love their hamburger patties. They got the best hamburger patties next to the ones I get from Smart and Final. But Great Value do have some great hamburger patties. I don't care what nobody say. Maybe if they talked about them, they must got a bad batch, but I'll be getting those good batches of Great Value hamburger patties. I love them. And I know people talking about they want to strike, boycott Walmart, who else, Target and all of them. But if there is any black folks grocery stores, let me know. I'll shop there. You got great prices. I can't do no bougie. You gotta have some little discounts, some sales or something. Other than that, mom and pop stores, let me know, cause hey, I shop where I can stretch my little money a little ways. I ain't got no problem. I know shopping places where I can get the most for my money. Now I know a lot of people say, ooh, they making videos. Walmart prices are expensive. Yeah, everything going up, but it's on certain stuff. You got to pick and choose these days. Look around. You got to investigate the prices on a lot of food. So you got to shop different stores. Shoot, you got to do what's necessary to stretch your grocery budget. Yes, I know I have a budget. Everybody don't have a budget. But me and my family, we have a budget. So I get what's on sale, clearance, long as it got a good Best Buy or long shelf life date, I'm all in. I'll get me some. Now what I have up here, I got mixed vegetables, whole kernel corn, and I think this is the first time I bought great value corn in the can. I believe so. I got the Southwest corn, and I love carrots. If I don't get the fresh ones, I'm getting the canned ones. Now these are meal prep savers. You don't have to chop up no bunch of vegetables. Just open up a can, dump it in your stew, soups, chilies, whatever you want to use vegetables in. This cuts time. Meal prep, making food time when you got convenient products like this. Canned goods or frozen goods. Shoot. Now you know the fresh ones are the best ones, but you gotta prep that. You gotta cut it and slice it and dice it and all that stuff. But sometimes I like to have convenience where if I don't really want to put in all that time on a meal, I want that's gonna be quick, easy, and ready to go. And this is canned goods. So the pantry, I gotta go over there. Keep organized, reorganized, because I showed y'all the shelf where I got all them peaches, my canned fruit. It's still a little unorganized, but it's about to be organized because I got so much switching and arranging to do. I got some Christmas. I don't know. I don't even want to go into it. But anyway, I got stuff I got to take off the shelf so I can make room for other stuff that need to go on the shelf. Like I'm putting my cooking equipment on the shelves where I normally would have products. I'm putting trading it, putting over my like my crock pots, meat cutting machine, all that kind of stuff. I put on the shelf. So I got to do some creative, clever organizing, arranging, setting up so everything will go on the shelf. Yep, space, space, space. That's why I love lots of cabinets and drawers, shelves. Oh yes. Oh, closets. Oh yes. I love all that storage stuff. Yes, I do. I admire people when I see when they share their pantries or their home where they store stuff. I love seeing folks got a lot of cabinets and drawers, big drawers, and they just got, oh, it's just so convenient to store stuff. And you can put your some people got drawers slide out where you could put your like big old, what you call it, instant pots and mixers and stuff, all that kind of stuff. I love it. But since I don't have that, I have to make do, and I have to get creative, and that's I will do. I love it. Just like I do on my crafting channel, get creative and just do stuff. Today, I think I'm going to share something on my crafting channel, especially my garden. It's Saturday, so I have my Saturday collab I got to share today. You're seeing this on my grocery channel, so I got to throw up something for my crafting channel. If I get it done, hopefully I get it done. But I'm enjoying seeing people sharing their holiday spirit and decorations. Some folks have taken down fall decor and have now decorated for Christmas, and folks are putting their Christmas decor together. Some folks already got it all together. See, people that like to decorate and do the seasonal thing, I was that too. Right now, I would have nothing but Christmas stuff all in the living room, all around the house. That's what I did back in the day. Now on this stove, I was sharing fallish type stuff, but I think in the next video, I'll be having like more Christmassy, get rid of the fallish stuff and put some Christmassy stuff. Yeah, but my pies over there aren't going anywhere because pumpkin, sweet potato, berry pies are for any season. I don't care what you say. I'm going to share my pies. I think I might have a new pie to share on my crafting channel today. Check it out. If you like seeing that kind of stuff, I have created desserts, characters, skits, all that stuff. Go to the crafting channel. The link is on this channel. Click it and get on over there. You ain't subscribed, subscribe. Hit the playlist. Hit the notification bell, hit the thumbs up, all that good stuff. But here today, I'm sharing. Well, yeah, as I was saying, I have a few mixed vegetables, a few whole kernel corns, a few Southwest corn, and some sliced carrots to go into my pantry stash. And I've been looking at those videos about people worried about not getting their welfare benefits, and how they're saying that they're threatening violence, thievery, and all the other criminal activities. And like I said, most of it just clicks and views. People just putting on skits and acting silly to get the clicks and views, because you know, clicks and views is what pays you. So people will say and do almost anything or everything to get a click and view. But I hear tell, it might yeah, I said I hear tell that not only will they not be getting November, I hear it might go and they might not get nothing for the rest of this year. So they worried about Thanksgiving and Christmas. It should be more worried about everyday eating. Forget a holiday, you gotta eat every day. And basically you don't need but one meal, but folks been conditioned to believe they need 3 meals. So That's why a lot of us are gaining a lot of weight, you know, so much food, I guess. But food is nourishing, and it put your smile on your face, make you feel better and all that, especially sweets and savory meats and some refreshments. So hopefully these folks hit up them pantries, because the pantries are saying they are having challenges trying to keep up with the demand and stuff. But hopefully some people got smart and beat the game, and they ain't waiting till next month to go to the pantry. You need to be at the pantry today. Collect and can go to several pantries if you know where they at. Shoot, hit them pantries up. Collect your canned goods, because shoot, that's how you gonna make it. You need some canned goods, some rice, some beans. Hopefully these folks that don't know how to cook, look up recipes. There's such thing called recipes, where it shows you what ingredients you need to prepare something. Make sure you got some seasonings. That's good too. I don't know, I ain't never seen nobody get seasonings at the pantry. I'd see like assortment of food, but I've never seen people who have salt and pepper and garlic powder and all that kind of stuff. I don't even know. I've never seen it, but I guess they done it, but I've never seen it. But yeah, seasonings, if they have them, get them. Don't be picky and choosy at the pantry. Oh my goodness. But yeah, that's all. I just came through to share my little canned goods. About to go on the shelf. Yep. Likes to have something convenient in the house. Shoot. I'm good. I'm good. Like I said, the most we need, if we run out of something, is fresh, like some eggs. Stuff that go bad fast. You know, milk, eggs, cheese, stuff like that. Dairy products, you know, stuff like that. We got a little meat, and cutting back on eating so much meat, so we good. Vegetables good and stuff. So hopefully people learn and don't panic. A lot of folks will, and they are panicking, because a lot of folks are panicking. They saying and want to do stuff that ain't gonna be good for them or their families, because it ain't gonna be good if mom go to jail, and then what the kids are definitely ain't gonna have you around to provide for them. So they need to rethink this. That's just what they saying. However the saying go, it ain't gonna be beneficial to nobody if you not there to be with your family. So like they say, people say, go to your families for help. Friends, help each other. And if you got a yard, sow some seeds, because ain't nothing good better than having food growing in your yard. Do a section or something. Get on bougie and get on your hands and knees. That's prayer. Pray too. But anyway, that's it. That's all I just came through to share. My little groceries. And hope everybody have a great day. And stay blessed. Get blessed. Bye. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.